I had errands to run. I had to go to the post office, I had to go to a couple stores, and now I'm back at Target again. I'm not supposed to be here. My husband told me, you know, everything going on. Anyways, I'm getting milk, some oil, some espresso, and some cat food. And now I'm just browsing through all these cute little stuff because I always look for stuff for my kids, even when I'm not supposed to be. I haven't had anything since my shake. Not even a tea, and I think I want to use my gift card and get a coffee. Would that be wrong? I think I am. Alright, y'all, I held it together. I did not buy Starbucks at Target today. I didn't. Aren't you proud of me? I'm gonna go home and make either a tea or a protein coffee. I'm not sure yet. We'll see when I get home. But I didn't buy one. I have a gift card, but still I'm saving it because I got bonus stars. So. Okay, so last night I made some of this protein pasta. I'm going to go ahead and eat some with some chicken and some mozzarella and some tomatoes. So I'll show you in a second. The protein pasta, 3 slices of the just pre-cut of the mozzarella, and then I'm gonna put chicken on top. Right, so I warmed it up. I know it looks weird and nasty, but this is what I'm gonna eat. So I have protein pasta, mozzarella, a slice of chicken, and half a tomato. That's what I'm gonna eat. Okay, so I have to take my daughter across town. She's going to the movies with her boyfriend's family. So I'm gonna make a snack before I get in the car. So I got these bagel thins, everything bagel. I'm going to get peanut butter. Delicious, absolutely delicious. I'm here for the second time today because this one...
You got my side profile. How could you do that? How could you do that to me? Is it done already?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hey guys, I was making my dinner shake. Let me move out the way. I was making my dinner shake on video for you, and then I realized that I was late picking up my daughter from her date. So I had to run out the door. I have my shake though. Hold on, I'll show you. I'm moving the cart.
Oh my gosh, she goes to my school. She's so funny.
Un momento. Alright, so I was making my shake at home when I got a text message, and the movie ended earlier than we all thought. So I had to literally run out the door to come over here and pick up my kid from the movies. Weird. This is weird. It's 10:11 at night.
I see her.
You see them?
Uh-huh.
Were they inside?
Yeah, they just walked out.
Okay.
And he's walking her to the car. He's walking her to the car.
They're cute.
I didn't know so many people that were in it though. You just spit on me again. Oh no, it's rain. I'm so sorry. It's sprinkling, and I thought this whole time you were spitting on me.
Oh, it's raining for real.
Yeah, it's sprinkling. 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 No. 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 Okay. Why are we laughing?
Because Cadence. Hi guys. She's so like on cloud 9 right now. We're back home. I didn't finish my shake. The ride is literally like 7 minutes from. So I'm gonna take my fat burner. She got a book bag on because she's getting ready to leave me because she's leaving for California tomorrow. She's crazy. Apple cider. Uh-oh, I gotta open a new Super Greens. There's only one in there and I need to. Why? My kids are leaving me. My older ones. It is 10:30 at night. Bye, Mama. He's here already? Yeah.
Bye-bye, vlog. So you guys are going to see me for a whole week because I'm just amazing, and I know you guys are going to miss my beautiful face. So, see you guys when I get back. Bye, Willow. I love you.
Have fun. Text me when you guys get to the airport and then when the plane lands.
You help me carry this down. I can't, Mama. It's so heavy. Goodbye. It's really heavy.
Okay, the girls have officially left to go to their father's house because they're leaving for California tomorrow. I am taking apple cider vinegar, Super Greens, and then my treatment, and then I'm gonna clean the kitchen, finish my shake, and go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Bye.